In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a link to a PDF document. It is very easy to share this PDF file as a link because you want to share it with other people. So the first step is to go to your Google browser and search for Google Drive. Because we want to share this file as a link, it's very easy to use a transfer platform to share this file. So go to your Google Drive, and after that we will sign in. Now you will arrive at your Google Drive. The next step is to upload the file into your Google Drive. So click on New on the left side, and after that select File Upload. This is the place where we are going to upload the file. The next step is to select your file and open it into your Google Drive. Now it will be uploaded. As you can see on the right bottom, it is uploaded. Select the file. Once you have done that, you can view your file. So the next step is to share it through a link. So we want to create a link for this PDF file, and you can very easily do that by clicking on Share. After that, click on General Access Restricted and select anyone with link. And what you do now is basically copy the link. And once you are copying it, you can paste it into your browser or share it with someone, and they can open your PDF file. And that is how you create a link to a PDF document. This is the most easiest and best way to do it.